Make $50 daily with this new AI tool. Welcome to today's video. In this video, I am going to show you a brand new AI tool that can help you make up to $50 every single day. This tool works worldwide. You don't need experience. And you can start using it immediately after this video. So make sure you watch till the end. Before we begin, remember to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Let's get started. The AI tool we are talking about today is called Clickworker with the UHRS AI tasks. It is a platform that pays you for simple micro tasks powered by AI. These tasks include text sorting, image labeling, content checking, and basic AI training. Clickworker pays you per task. UHRS tasks pay even higher. Most users earn between $15 to $50 per day depending on task availability and consistency. The reason this method works is because companies need human help to train AI systems. They need people like you to teach AI what is correct or incorrect. That's why they pay for these micro tasks. You don't need any special skill. You don't need a laptop. You can do some of the tasks with your phone. Step 1. Go to clickworker.com. Create a free account. Fill in your basic details. Step 2. Complete your worker profile. Take the short assessment so you can unlock more tasks. Step 3. Connect to UHRS. UHRS stands for Universal Human Relevance System. This is where the highest paying AI tasks are located. Once you join UHRS, you will see different tasks such as image annotation, voice categorization, comparing AI answers, and checking search results. Now let's talk about earnings. On regular days, you can make between $10 and $30. But on good days, especially when tasks are plenty, people make up to $50 daily. The key is consistency. The more tasks you complete, the more the system unlocks for you. Tip number 1. Always complete the qualification tasks first. This unlocks higher paying tasks. Tip number 2. Check the task board often. New tasks appear randomly and disappear fast. Tip number 3. Use a laptop if possible. It makes the tasks faster and increases your daily earnings. Tip number 4. Avoid mistakes. If your accuracy is low, tasks will be removed from your account. AI companies are growing very fast. They need millions of human inputs every day. That is why platforms like Clickworker and UHRS pay consistently and globally. This is one of the easiest ways for beginners to make money online without investment. Clickworker pays through PayPal and bank transfer depending on your location. Payments are weekly or monthly based on the task type. Once you reach the minimum payout, you can withdraw your money instantly. Now you know exactly how this AI tool works and how you can start making up to $50 every day. If you want more AI methods to make money online, comment more videos below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.